Hi everybody, how are you doing? It's a gorgeous evening here. I am in North Myrtle Beach on 5th Avenue South, one of my favorite neighborhoods. I live close by and I ride my bike down this street quite a bit. It's just a great neighborhood. We are 2 blocks away to McLean Park, 4 blocks away to Main Street and everything that it has to offer, and then just 2 blocks to the beach. Yay. So perfect location. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's an absolutely fabulous home here. Quite unique and beautiful. Tons of space here. And even for parking, you have this beautiful large driveway, you have a garage, there's a carport, so it really has a lot to offer. And the total square footage is 4,200, and the total heated square footage is 2,793. There is a fenced in backyard, so let's go ahead and take a look at this gem, everybody. All right, everybody, so here we are. This is 617 5th Avenue South, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So as you walk in here, there's plenty of storage throughout. You have little doors set up here for, you can bring the golf cart in. Regular garage doors there, so you have a nice large size garage, so plenty of space for your toys and your cars, your golf cart. So this home does come partially furnished. So as we enter here, the first level, they've made this into a media room. We have a projector and a big screen here. Nice sized closet there. This door will take you out to your patio and your backyard. So fenced in backyard. With a gate and everything down there. Good sized patio. And there's even a doggy or a cat door right down there, so bring your furry friends, they love this place. Great size room. Here is the first full bath. So this has a shower in here with a little seat. Okay, and here is a bedroom. With the closet. And then here we have a closet, a storage space. Plenty of storage in this home. Alrighty, so let's go up to the main level here. All right, nice. So here's the kitchen. The really nice island there and a breakfast bar. Plenty of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, and a nice large stove here and stove top. Part of it with a grill there, and overlooking the living area. So again, it will come partially furnished. So what you see here will convey. So here is the half bath. So here is the main entrance to, if you were to walk up those stairs, that is the front door. So plenty of natural light here. So on this level as well, you have a bedroom with a nice large walk-in closet. And we have a fabulous bathroom here, 2 sinks, the vanity, nice big jacuzzi tub, lots of natural light coming in, good sized linen closet. A shower with a huge shower head. Lots of natural light here as well. So this actually has 2 closets here. This is the laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer. You have your alrighty. We'll make our way up to the next level. Okay, so up here, you have a great sized bedroom with a skylight. Two doors to the closet. You have a full bath in here with the vanity right here. And then a shower tub combo here. And the toilet. Here, another bedroom. This is large, right? So again, the furniture you see here will convey. And 2 closets here. They put a bureau in this closet. So as you can see, plenty of space here, wonderful location. This home was built in 2005. So here you have a dining area. And then you even have a special room up here that you could use as an office. It's a crafts room, playroom, and maybe a little library. So even a little porch out there. Lots of great views. You can see that there's a lot of beautiful homes on this street. You see over here, the neighbor has solar panels. Well, guess what? This house has solar panels as well. And the solar panels, everything it will convey, and they're not on any lease program or whatnot. It's part of the real property. Alrighty here, so happy to go ahead and show you this great home right in, again, I know I say the heart of North Myrtle Beach a lot, but this is right there. We're just 4 blocks away from Main Street, 2 blocks away from the beach, and of course, east side of 17. So many desirable things about this property. The asking price is $535,000, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, total square footage at 4,200. So this has a lot to offer. If you're interested in this property or any other ones, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is down below. Feel free to give me a call at 843-877-5839. Y'all take care until next time.